am free after 10,000 years. Yet still my own brother thinks I am a villain. I'll show him my true power. I'll show him that the demons have no hold over me.
Are you certain of that, Demon Hunter? Are you certain your will is your own?
You reek of death, human. You'll regret approaching me.
Come then. You'll find that we're evenly matched.
We could go on fighting like this forever. What is it you truly want?
The Dreadlord who commands this undead army is called Tichondrius. He controls a powerful warlock artifact called the Skull of Gul'dan. It is responsible for corrupting these forests.
And you wish for me to steal it? Why?
Let's just say that I have no love for Tichondrius, and the Lord I serve would benefit from the Legion's downfall.
Why should I believe anything you say, little human?
My master sees all, Demon Hunter. He knows that you've sought power your whole life. Now it lies within your grasp. Seize it, and your enemies will be undone.
I'm blind, not deaf.
I am sworn to avenge.
My strength is yours.
You dare speak to me? I grow impatient.
Waiting on you.
Are there demons nearby?
Come no further, weakling. Lord Tichondrius commanded us to kill anyone attempting to enter this place. And we shall.
Are we being invaded? I'm game.
I grow impatient.
Make it fast. Ah, the great outdoors.
Are there demons nearby?
Research
Evil
finished.
draws close. Die, fool. Vengeance is mine. Is that all? You
Inventory
dare
is
speak
full.
to me? I'm blind, not deaf. I grow impatient. Oh, my brothers. I'm blind, not deaf. I grow impatient. You'll regret approaching me. Is that all? Deaf.
Enlighten me.
Are there demons nearby?
I'm awake. I'm awake. Where shall I
I grow impatient.
I'm awake.
I'm blind, not deaf. Demons nearby.
Our time is yours.
I walk through the shadows.
Speak to me.
My strength is yours.
I grow impatient. Are there demons nearby?
Your building is
Our
complete.
time is short.
That is where the skull of Gul'dan is kept. These paltry demons will not prevent me from claiming it. I grow impatient.
Our time is short.
I'm blind, not deaf.
I strength this war. I'm awake.
I'm blind, not deaf.
Where shall I strike?
I grow impatient. Now, at least the demons will no longer corrupt the forests. But if I destroy the skull and claim its powers as my own, I will become stronger than any of Archimonde's lieutenants. Yes, the power should be mine.
Now I am complete. Evil draws close.
Engage the enemy.
Dare speak to me. Is that all? Evil draws close. Hardly a challenge. Easily. Evil draws close. Is that all? What? Who are you? Let's see how confident you are against one of your own guides, Dreadlord.
Of course. Once.
Hardly a challenge. Hardly a challenge. Is that all?
A little wrong.
On your mark. Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Patient.
I believe.
Yes.
Foul demon! What have you done with my brother?
It is I. This is what I've become.
No. Illidan, how could you?
The leader of the undead has been destroyed, and the forests will heal in time.
At the cost of your soul? You are no brother of mine. Be gone from this place, and never set foot in our lands again.
So be it.